Today's geology lesson is on mountain building, or the forces that create mountains. So what processes can cause a mountain to grow? There are three processes: folding, faulting, and volcanism. Folding is when compression forces cause a buckling in the Earth's surface. It commonly occurs alongside convergent plate boundaries. These rocks are easy to spot in the form of twisted lines in the rocks. Faulting is an aggressive movement along a fault and/or plate boundary, where one side rises relative to the other, causing steep, rocky cliffs. The Sierra Nevada mountain range in eastern California is a good example of where faulting has changed the Earth's surface. Volcanism is the explosive movement of magma from the mantle layer. It can either break through the surface to become volcanic rock, or it can push up the Earth's crust to become plutonic rock. We commonly experience this when volcanoes erupt. There is even a circular belt of volcanoes in the Pacific Ocean called the Ring of Fire, where volcanoes and earthquakes occur more frequently. Now, faulting and folding can occur together, and this is exactly how the biggest mountain range in the world was created. Nicknamed the Roof of the World, the Himalayas are home to the biggest mountains on our planet. The tallest amongst them is Mount Everest, currently standing at 29,035 feet. And the land masses that collided to create Mount Everest are yet to stop, with the mountain continuing to rise every year. Mount Everest was first summited in 1953 by one of my fellow countrymen, a New Zealander named Sir Edmund Hillary and his Nepalese Sherpa Tenzing Norgay. It took 16 days and a whole lot of support. So let's review what we have just learned. First, mountains are created through either folding, faulting, or volcanism. Folding is when compression forces cause a buckling in the Earth's surface. Faulting is movement along a fault and/or plate boundary where one side rises relative to the other, causing steep, rocky cliffs. Volcanism is the explosive movement of magma from the mantle layer. Second, folding and faulting can occur together. This is how the tallest mountain range on our planet was created, when two land masses collided into each other to create the mighty Himalayas. Thank you for joining me for this geology lesson on mountain building. Sir Edmund Hillary once said, "You don't have to be a hero to accomplish great things, to compete. You can just be an ordinary chap, sufficiently motivated to reach challenging goals." I hope all of you find your dreams, work hard, and not let anything stop you. Be well, my friends, and always remember that you are awesome. Subscribe to my channel to stay updated, and a like is always appreciated. We'll see you next time at Sam's Outdoor Science for Kids.